Hello guys, welcome to Always a Learner. We believe in good, better, best. Never let it rest until your good is better and your better is best. So guys, welcome to the whole new and fresh episode of Tech Intimation. We are here with some latest tech news, so let's get started. So guys, the first update that we have is from Titan. Titan has released 5 new watches with contactless payment functionality. The watch company has partnered with State Bank of India to bring a new Titan Pay solution. Users can tap these Titan Pay powered watches on contactless payment POS machine to make payments. This solution will work only for SBI card holders. Payments of up to 2000 rupees can be made without entering a PIN, whereas payments above that will require manually entering a PIN. The new men watches are priced at 2,995, 3,995 and 5,995 rupees, and the rest two women watches are priced at 3,895 rupees and 4,395 rupees. So the next update that we have is from Samsung. Samsung Galaxy A02 supposedly surfaced on Geek Bench with key specs. It is listed with 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of onboard storage. The phone managed to score 746 points in single core test and 3810 on multi-core test on Geek Bench. The phone is expected with an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 processor, and the phone will run on Android 10 based One UI out of the box. Let's see when Samsung officially announced the device and at what price. Next update that we have is about GoPro Hero 9 Black. GoPro Hero 9 Black is officially launched with 23.6 megapixel sensor, 5K video recording at 30 frames per second and 20 megapixel still capturing. The camera features new front-facing color LCD display. GoPro 9 also features a larger battery, up to 30% better battery life than GoPro Hero 8. The camera is priced at 49,500 rupees in India and will be available by late October. And the camera is also waterproof up to 10 meters. At number 4 we have news about Hunter V700. Hunter V700 is launched by the company as a gaming-centric laptop featuring 16.1 inches Full HD Plus display, 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and 1 TB of NVMe SSD. The laptop is powered with Intel 10th Gen Core i7-10750H CPU and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 GPU with 6 GB of VRAM. The laptop weighs 2.45 kilograms and is priced at 7,499 yuan, which is roughly equivalent to 81,600 rupees for the base variant. Listing further, the next update that we have is about Realme 7i. Realme 7i is officially launched in Indonesia for now, featuring 6.5 inches HD Plus display with 90 Hz refresh rate. The phone is powered with Snapdragon 662 processor paired with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of UFS 2.1 storage. The phone features a quad rear camera setup and a 16 megapixel Sony IMX471 sensor on the front side. The phone is backed with 5000 mAh battery. The phone is priced at 3,199,000 Indonesian rupiah, which is roughly equals to 15,800 rupees in India. The next update that we have is from Amazfit. Amazfit GTR2 and GTS2 launch is officially confirmed to be on September 22. The design is officially teased by the company, where GTS2 has a square-shaped dial, looks slimmer than its predecessor, with 14 days of battery life. Talking about Amazfit Watch GTR2, the watch will feature a circular dial and comes with 410 mAh battery that can last up to 74 days in basic watch mode. So let's see how much will the watch actually cost. Further, we have leaks about Redmi K40 Pro, as Apple recently announced Apple iPad Air with world's 5nm processor A14 Bionic chipset. As far as flagship Androids are concerned, most of them are expected to feature the upcoming 5nm flagship chip from Qualcomm. Today, Redmi GM Lu Weibing released a post on Weibo to tease the arrival of new Redmi products with 5nm chipset, which will be the Snapdragon 875 processor by Qualcomm. The Redmi K30 Pro is announced with Snapdragon 865 processor, and Redmi K40 Pro could be the phone to use Snapdragon 875 processor as per Redmi tease. Let's see what Xiaomi plans and when it reveals the new product under Redmi sub-brand. Listing further, we have news about Sony PlayStation 5 and PlayStation 5 Digital Edition. Sony held a showcase event for PlayStation 5 and PS5 Digital Edition yesterday, and prices of PS5 and PS5 Digital Editions were revealed on the event. PS5 is announced with 4K 60 frames per second up to 120 frames per second resolution, custom AMD Zen 2 CPU, 16 gigs of RAM and 825 gigs of SSD, and so on. PS5 Digital Edition is announced with 4K 60 frames per second up to 120 frames per second resolution, custom 8-core AMD Zen 2 CPU, 16 gigs of RAM, 825 gigs of SSD, and so on. PS5 is priced at $499 and PS5 Digital Edition will cost $399 and will be launched on November 12. Indian pricing are not revealed yet. So the last update that we have is about iOS 14 and iPadOS 14 stable versions availability. iOS 14 and iPadOS Golden Master versions are now available for public officially, and the phones that will get iOS 14 are iPhone 11 models, iPhone SE first generation and second generation, iPhone 6s, iPhone XS models, etc. The whole list will be available in the description. You can check it out and go and update your iPhones and iPads to the latest version and enjoy the incredibly new features. Also, the watchOS 7 is available for all the users. So guys, that's all for today. We hope you really enjoyed the video. Please like this video and share it with your family and friends. Please subscribe our channel for more such videos and press the bell icon alongside to get notifications for the new one. Your support is incredible. Comment your views in the comment section. Thank you for watching and never forget to smile.